Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use reduce ghosting on Hinge. How can you reduce it? So let's get started with the video. The very first way is make sure that the notification for the Hinge applications are enabled in your phone so that you get the message notification and reply on them on time. You can go to the search bar, search for the Hinge application. Here you will see an option of notifications. Click on that and here toggle on this icon that is for allow notification. Toggle it on and make sure that you have alert you have set for allow sounds and vibration. Here you can choose lock screen allowed or pop-up allowed. You can just enable both of them. So this is how you can enable the app notification. The next thing how reduce ghosting is make sure that you reply to everyone on time. Once you open the application, here you will see a chat icon at the lower side. Click on that and here you will see two options, your turn and their turn. So basically when you will click on drop down menu of your turn, here you will see all the chats which you haven't replied. Make sure that you reply on all the chats over here so they don't ghost you. So this is how you can reduce the ghosting on Hinge. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.